Picture a front yard where every element, aged wood, vintage lanterns, and sprawling greenery, tells a story of rustic charm and warmth. Today, we're taking you on a journey through a rustic front yard that feels like a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Welcome to Green Home Living. Step into a rustic farmhouse front yard where a classic picket fence frames overflowing flower beds. An old wooden swing hangs gently from a large tree, swaying in the breeze and inviting moments of quiet reflection. A rustic front yard with a simple wooden fence invites visitors to a porch where a solitary rocking chair sits beneath a covered roof. The stone path leading up to the porch is framed by wildflowers, adding color and life. In this cozy rustic front yard, a charming log cabin sits peacefully with a stone pathway that winds its way to a weathered wooden porch. The porch, adorned with simple, vintage touches, is surrounded by a sea of wildflowers. A rustic front yard nestled on the edge of the forest features a cozy log home. A weathered wooden bench offers a place to rest, surrounded by a garden filled with daisies and tall ferns, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. In this rustic front yard, a wooden cabin with a tin roof takes center stage. A stone path leads visitors through the natural beauty of the garden, with vintage lanterns adding a touch of magic as they light the way. This rustic front yard showcases a stone cottage surrounded by a garden filled with daisies, lavender, and ferns. A wooden gate and gravel path lead the way to this peaceful, fragrant retreat. A rustic front yard with a wooden house and a stone walkway invites you to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. An old wheelbarrow filled with wildflowers adds a charming touch to the scene. We hope you enjoyed this rustic front yard tour. If you're inspired to bring a touch of the countryside to your own home, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, may your front yard be a place of comfort and beauty.